Hey everyone, welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add a realistic day and night cycle to your Roblox game using a very short and simple script. It will make your game feel alive, and it allows you to adjust how long the day and night lasts independent of one another down to the exact second. The first thing you are going to want to do is open Roblox Studio and load into your game. Once you are in, make sure that your Explorer window is opened. If it is not, head to the top of Studio and click View, and then Explorer. Once it is opened, navigate to Server Script Service and insert a script. Rename it to something like Day-Night Cycle so that it is easier to find again later. Delete the default print line and begin by getting the lighting service, which is able to control the time of day in your game. Then, create two variables called day length and night length. Set their values to however many seconds you would like the day or night to last. To show you guys how it looks, I will make both values 10. Then, use a while true do to create an infinite loop for the day and night cycle. Inside this loop, we'll make 3 for loops. The first loop goes from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. It gradually sets the in-game time, minute by minute, using lighting set minutes after midnight, and waits a tiny amount of time between each minute so the sun moves smoothly across the sky. The second loop goes from 6 p.m. to midnight, doing the same thing to simulate the first half of the night. The third loop goes from midnight to 6 a.m., finishing the night cycle. If that helped you, like and subscribe to support me.